Hey guys, so welcome back to the isometric exercise library for the Superhuman Strength Protocol. Today we've got a really simple one, which is the isometric bridge. So this is a really good alternative to a squatting pattern, particularly for those individuals that lack the mobility and or are experiencing pain within a squatting position. What you want to do here is lie on your back with your legs bent at approximately 90 degrees. You want to make sure that your feet are flat on the floor, okay, and we can get sufficient amount of pressure through the heel. So for some people, this might mean readjusting foot position, so taking a slightly wider position, or straightening their legs out a little bit more, whatever allows you to gain a sufficient amount of force that you can lift the hips up off the ground. Then all you're going to do is run the strap over the hips, okay, trap your hands onto the strap, press them down into the ground, and then push your hips to the ceiling. Now for this one, this isn't necessarily going to provide the maximal stimulus in terms of force, because obviously you're limited by the strength of your triceps and lats to keep the strap pressed down. However, it is just a warm-up exercise or an activation exercise for the glutes anyway, so don't worry about it too much. Just keep the strap pressed into the ground, and as you drive your hips up towards the ceiling, we're aiming to push through that strap. So aiming to activate the glutes and the hamstrings to perform that hip extension pattern that we typically see within a bridge.